really smells good on you.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's 5:45 in the morning on a Thursday. The reason why I'm up so early is because I'm gonna take my mom to work today. For those of y'all that don't know, she works at a clinic, and I don't know why. I think something happened with her car, and she asked me to take her. I'm gonna get a little time to spend with her this morning because today's gonna be a pretty packed day for me. So yeah, maybe we'll get breakfast or something, but I think right now I need a chai in my system, so let's go make that. Mom, you want to tell them why I'm driving you?
I'm getting my car oil change, so Caroline's driving me to work this morning.
Yeah, this is like the earliest that I've woken up in a long time. Usually I wake up pretty late now, so I kind of needed this. Today's plan is I'm gonna be hanging out with Lexi at 10 a.m. We're gonna go get coffee downtown at this super cute coffee shop that she and I both love, and we're gonna work on our college essays. Love you, bye. I can't even believe it, like, I am a senior in high school now. College essays are a thing, and we have to write ours this summer. Our school, like, wants us to. So I just made my bed and now I'm gonna do some work for the next 30 minutes or so. I have 4 videos right now that I'm editing currently. So I need to finish some of them, export it, and then be done. I closed my blinds for this so you guys can actually see me. Basically, I get a ton of questions asking like what I do for my skincare routine and what I do for my makeup routine as well. So I already planned out this whole video that I'm gonna film probably next week. It's my get ready with me routine, and it'll show in depth like my skincare routine and my makeup routine. But I wanna share a product that I've been loving recently. It's been a total game changer and I need to put you guys on it. Arbonne recently came out with skincare. You guys know I love their protein shakes. And so I decided to try out their RE9 Advanced Extra Moisture Restorative Cream with SPF 20 sunscreen. And before, like, I never really cared about SPF or anything like that, but now it's like incredibly important. So I kind of use this as like a primer before I put on my tinted moisturizer. But yeah, if you're looking for a good SPF and like a really good cream, I would recommend this one. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm watching this show called Your Lie in April. It's an anime show and I'm giving it a try. If you're gonna clown on me, literally leave, because I already watched like all of Studio Ghibli's movies. We should normalize that. I'm gonna watch this and then do my makeup. Here's a time lapse. Okay guys, just finished my makeup and I really like how it turned out today. I haven't worn makeup in like the past 4 days, so it's kind of weird seeing my face with makeup again. But let's pick out an outfit for the day. I kind of already have something in mind of what I want to wear. I always forget that I have a tripod. Like, why do I never use it? Fun stuff. I'm thinking I want to wear this romper from Princess Polly. Yeah, let's wear it. I also got these super cute pants from, crap, where did I get them from? I got them the other day. I'm gonna put this on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Y'all, I could literally cry right now. This is probably the cutest outfit ever. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Like, it should not be this cute. It's like one piece. It's like a romper, but it ties at the top and it just is so flattering. Oh my goodness. I am so obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear these with white shoes. I think I'm gonna head out soon to go pick up Lexi, but I'm gonna refill my water first because your girl's out. I'm not sure what shoes I want to wear either. Like, Do I wear tennis shoes today? Or I kind of want to wear these sandals actually. Sorry mom, I'm stealing your Steve Madden shoes because they're very, very cute. For the bag, I'm gonna bring a backpack because I'm gonna be writing my college essay, obviously. And the bag needs to be big enough to fit my laptop. I'll just bring my school backpack. This is the backpack that I used all of last year. It's a North Face and it's really, really good. It's probably my favorite like backpack brand. Literally had so many backpacks in my lifetime and every single brand has broken except for North Face. So definitely recommend getting that. Now for jewelry, I want to pick out some rings to wear today. I'm gonna wear the B ring from my jewelry collection with Starlight Village. Then I'll wear this ring that says, I love you. I'm not friends with the person anymore who gave me this ring, but it is like super cute anyways. And in the moment when we were friends and she gave it to me, it was really special. So I have never gotten rid of this. And then I'll wear the flower ring from my jewelry collection as well. Alrighty, let's go pick up Lexi. I'm literally so excited. It's out on all music platforms. All you need to do is just search up my name or both ways. Also, the music video is out on my channel, so I'll have that in the description as well. Literally, oh my god, I love singing that song in the car. I just got to Lexi's house. I swear, literally every time I come, she's not ready. She's literally never ready. But I always come like 10 minutes earlier.
I just woke up 5 minutes ago. Really? Why are you showing up early to my house? And you're supposed to come at 10, not 9:50.
Dude, I'm sorry.
You aren't even sorry.
Guys, no, you look so good.
Please, I know you're gonna pull through with the fit.
Guys, I kind of parked like really close. Also,
like, Caroline, turn behind you, like, look. Nope.
Last time, literally the last time that I was here, I parked in a parking garage and I hit one of these poles. But I had my other car. Oh my god, it was bad. My collaging croissant was so good. Lexi, how was your cookie? Oh my. So good. Lexi caught me watching anime on my computer.
It was literally so scary. I don't know if I can be friends with her after this. After seeing that, I was like, who are you?
Okay,
do I even know
you're the one that always does this though.
Yeah, as a joke, but she was watching it not as a joke.
It's really good, guys. I love anime.
Finally alone, I feel good on my own. I finally erased your number from my super phone. Riding around on your board with your angst and your issues. I guess that you scored on.
Ready? Okay.
We're gonna break this.
If you guys come here and the chairs are wrecked. Ready?
You like, she needs to loosen it. She looks like she's so ready to go back to school, guys. She's so excited.
So
Look at her backpack.
Look out for the Dick's Sporting Goods commercial. We're going to Trader Joe's right now to get flowers for my new room. So we're gonna take you guys with us. So bad. Yeah. I didn't think anyone actually came here, but
I'm in heaven right now.
are you in heaven right now?
I want this.
This is so good. I love your little sheets. Where's from?
They're from, do you know the influencer Matilda Jerk?
Yes!
Yeah.
They're from like Jerk Avenue?
Jerk Avenue, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Those are so cute. In case you guys didn't see my room makeover video, this is from Urban Outfitters. There you go. A PR package just came from Casetify, and I'm gonna open it because I always get so excited to see what Casetify sends me. I feel like my case collection is insane now. Like, I don't need any more cases, but I always love getting them. Oh my gosh, another box inside a package. So cute. Let's open it. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Fun fact, Casetify actually asked me what my favorite Disney movie was, and I said Mulan, obviously. You know, need I say less? She's the best Disney princess. Oh my gosh, wait, this is so cute. And then they sent a case with my name on it that just says Caroline. I always love these because they're like really good mirror cases. This like leather material, that is so cute. It says my name. This one is super cool. It says CM, and it's like the sand cases, so it goes to the bottom and then you can like flip it and all that. This is so fun. I love it. Thank you so much, Casetify, for sending me these. This video isn't sponsored by them, but I always have a code with them. So if you want to use my code 15 Hey Caroline at checkout, you can get 15% off. I think I'm gonna go to the gym, but I'm gonna take a nap really quick because I'm like exhausted. Currently going to the gym right now. This is my fit for the day. Top is from Lululemon. Leggings are also Lululemon. And then shoes, I'm gonna wear my Nike Pros because they're the best. It's 8:24. I went to the gym, ate dinner with my family, and now I have a candle going in the back. I'm editing and I'm watching the show Your Lie in April, which is on Netflix, by the way, if you guys want to watch it. It's really good. But I think I'm gonna go to bed. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, and did everything. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure to click the link in my description to buy Both Ways merch and also stream Both Ways on all music platforms. Love y'all so much. Ciao.
Say it once and I'll say it again, 'cause I mean it. I won't be the girl that you used to get over your feelings. And it's sad that you showed me attention with somebody